Frozen fun. Ice cube races. Are you ready for a chilly challenge that's as cool as ice? Let's have some fun with ice cube races. All you need are some small toys, water, and a freezer. Here's how to do it. First, choose some small toys that you don't mind getting a little frosty. Maybe some toy cars, animals, or even little figures. Second, put each toy into a separate compartment of an ice cube tray. You can use different toys for each compartment to make the race more exciting. Third, carefully pour water into the ice cube tray, covering the toys completely. Fourth, ask an adult to help you put the ice cube tray into the freezer. Now, it's time to wait patiently while the water freezes and turns into ice cubes. Fifth, once the ice cubes are solid, take them out of the freezer. Pop each ice cube out of the tray and place them on a plate or tray. Sixth, now it's race time. Put the ice cubes on a flat surface and watch as they start to melt. Which toy will escape from the ice first? That's the winner of the race. It's a fun and frosty way to learn about how things melt and change from solid to liquid. So gather your toys and get ready for an icy adventure.
Thank you for watching our fun and educational video. We hope you had a great time learning with us. Don't forget to come back for more exciting and informative adventures. See you next time.